If you have a house in Circleville, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and get a fair price and work with a direct buyer who's got a strong track record, who's here locally in Central Ohio, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses all over Circleville and all throughout Central Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers of houses in Circleville prefer to work with a direct buyer like us instead of listing the house with a real estate agent and then dealing with more of a traditional buyer. You know, those traditional buyers, I'm talking about the ones that are going to use a mortgage to buy your house. So there's going to be formal inspections, appraisals, and hoops to jump through. And there's a lot more to, selling a house with a traditional buyer. And then, everything's based on their lender's approval. Nothing against the real estate agents out there. They do a great job. Nothing against the buyers out there. It's the banks. It's the buyers' lenders that kill these real estate transactions that just really turn into a big waste of your time. They can, they oftentimes it's going to take 30, 60, 90 days to close. And guess what? Every single day that goes by that you still haven't closed because you got to jump through hoops with a traditional buyer, it's another day that you're paying for property taxes, another day you're paying for utilities, another day you're paying for insurance, another day if you got mortgage, you got to pay the mortgage interest. And this is all adding up right to your bottom line. It is so much better for a seller like you to just sell the property in its as-is condition and close on the date of your choice. Just that alone, to do that, to sell quickly and to create a scenario where you can sell and close when you want to. So there's no uncertainty, there's no approval needed. It's going to create a lot of breathing room for you when you can sell to a buyer that's going to give you a fair price, close on the date of your choice. And what makes it easy is we don't use a mortgage company. There is no lender like that. Right? So we don't need the formal inspections and we don't need the formal appraisals, and we will buy it in its as-is condition. So I don't care what's going on with the property. If it's just cluttered, I don't care if it's a full-on hoarder house. I don't care if it needs gutters and roof and hot water tank or even major repairs and foundation issues and, sloping floors. And we have been doing this for over 14 years. I could share with you so many stories. We have bought hundreds of houses all over, Ohio, all over Central Ohio. So we're going to be a good fit for you. There's no judgment on our end. We don't need the formal inspections. We will truly buy the house in its as-is condition. So if you are looking to get a fair price and work with a direct buyer, contact us here today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we get on the phone, there is no pressure. There's no games. There's no gimmicks or sales tactics. We're not a call center. This isn't a marketing company where you're going to be outsourced to some call center. And no, it's me. In fact, it's music to my ears every time somebody says to me on the phone, is this the guy from the videos? The answer is astoundingly, absolutely. I look forward to speaking to you. No judgment. Let's just talk it through. It's that easy. There's no obligations to at least see what we can do or can't do. And we're not going to leave you with a bad taste in your mouth. We're going to treat you fair, and we're local, and we got hundreds of reviews to share with you as well. We're excited to share that. So if you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently and get a fair price, contact us today here, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.